How to close Union Bank account online. Now, closing a standard Union Bank of India account fully online isn't usually possible. You must visit a branch with a closure form, ID, passbook, and a debit card check after clearing dues and transferring funds. But you can initiate a contact or manage digital account as well. So basically, what you want to do is here you want to go ahead and transfer the remaining funds and clear any outstanding loans or AMI, and you also need to visit your home branch or download the account closure form. So basically it's going to be in the website. You can just open up your browser, type in account closure form, type in Union Bank, and there you go. You could download the form, and that's how you're going to fill it out, and you could submit it in person or contact support team as you like. That's how you're going to close Union Bank account online. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.